Hi everyone, it's Deanna Kangas here, Director of Voicehouse, and this week's tip of the week is how anyone can learn how to sing. So yes, anyone can learn how to sing. Why? Because when you sing, you use muscles, just like muscles in the rest of your body. And when you learn how to train those muscles correctly, that's when you can get a better sound. Now, yes, it is true. Some people are naturally much better singers than others. And this really has a lot of different factors, including how well your ears are tuned in and how good you are at things like pitch and rhythm. But that is all stuff that can be taught over time. The only people that will find real difficulty with learning how to sing are those who have a hearing impairment. If you don't have a hearing impairment and you just think, oh, I'm tone deaf, well, maybe perhaps you need to come in for an introductory session with us, chat to one of our teachers, and we can let you know if it will be achievable for you to work from where you are to where you want to be as a singer. So yes, anyone can learn how to sing. It just depends on where you're at naturally as to how long it will take you to where you want to be.